Hey guys, today we're going to start talking about algebra. You're going to actually go to this website that we're on right now on your own. It is listed on your things that are listed on Edmodo where you can go to this. So you're going to go to this website, and when you come to this website, if I restart this, it's going to show up like this. You get to the model algebra, you click on two-step equations. And an equation is going to show up here that you have to model. So today we're going to start by modeling equations. Whenever we model equations, the only thing you really need to remember is you're trying to find x. Your whole goal is to find out what one of these x's is worth. That's your goal when you're modeling equations. In order to find out how much x is worth, you have to be able to get x all by itself on one side of the scale and everything else over here. Now, in order to do that, we only have to remember one thing. If it's a scale, after we put our equation on there, anything you do on one side, you have to do on the other. That's all we've got to remember. So we're going to start by modeling this equation. It's 3x plus 1 equals 10. So 3 x's means 3 of these x's. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 of the x's. And notice right here it says 3x plus 1. So I'm going to pick the plus 1. So now on this side of the equation I have 3x plus 1. That means on the other side I just need to put 10. It's positive 10, so I'm going to put 10 positive shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And notice that once I have 3x plus 1 over here and 10 over there, my scale balances itself. So you're going to do this yourself. So after you get the equation here, you're going to click the check button, and it will tell you if you're right. It says your model is correct. Now let's solve the problem. You need to isolate the x tiles. That means get them alone. There's one plus 1 tile on my scale that has the x. So to remove this tile, I need to add a minus 1. That creates a 0 pair, which means I can remove both tiles from the model. So, just like when we did integers, we want to create 0 pairs. The thing is that since they're on different sides of the scale, we can't do anything with both of them. So notice in my problem solving text it says 3x plus 1 equals 10. So in order to get rid of this plus 1, I'm going to put a minus 1. If I put a minus 1 on this side, though, notice my scale is tilting. I need to put a minus 1 here. So now my scale is balanced again. So now my equation reads 3x equals 9. That's because I can take, since I have a 0 pair here, I can make these disappear, and I have 1 0 pair here, so I'm going to make these disappear. My balance says 3x's equals 9. I'm going to check that. Good. 3x tiles together have a value of 9. You need to find the value of 1x tile. That means that we need to divide these into 3 groups since we have 3 x's. So if we look at our problem solving steps, it had 3x plus 1 equals 10. We did a minus 1 on each side, so 3x equals 9. So in order to divide these, we're just going to split all of these to where each x has 3 plus 1 tiles. Since each x equals 3 plus 1s, that means that x is going to equal 3. We can go on to the next problem. I'm going to refresh this because I want to start with one that has a negative. So let's see if it'll give me one that has a negative. Good. 2x plus 2 equals negative 8. So just like last time, we're going to model 2x's plus 2, negative 8 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. 2x plus 2 equals negative 8. I'm going to go through this one quicker. So, good. I need to get rid of these plus 2 to get x alone, so I'm going to put minus 1 over here. That means I need to put minus 1 over here. Put another minus 1. That means I need another minus 1. So now I have a 0 pair here, so I'm going to get rid of the 0 pair. Get rid of the 0 pair. I have no 0 pairs here, so there's nothing I can do. So that means 2x's equals negative 10. Good. 2x equals negative 10. Since 2x equals negative 10, I need to split these negative 10 into 2 equal groups. So 1x equals negative 5.